Okay, welcome back. We're going to move on to step 2, and that's going to be to start boxing in heights and getting our walls where we need them. Now, we chose this corner as our prime one because that is the one that is closest to us as the viewer. So I'm just going to put a little X on this line just so we remember that that is going to be the most prominent line when we're all done here, okay? Now, we also marked earlier down here, and put another X down here where we marked it, that this would be the depth of where we're going. And you can't quite see that, so let me do a little adjustment on the camera here. And get that tilted just a little bit more. So you might not see everything, but we'll make it as carefully organized as we can. So I clip this video just a little bit. So oops, still not seeing it. Let me do one more little adjustment here. Lots of adjustments we can do. Tilt that up just a little bit more. And not too much, or we're going to lose everything we're trying to do here. Because there's a lot to show. All right, so right there is the pencil mark. Now, we've brought down all the lines, so we're pretty good not seeing the floor plan itself right now. But we have our point here in this very bottom corner, right down the bottom right corner of your screen is where we're at. And I'll shift the camera after we go on here a little bit. Now, when we're doing renderings, we brought this one down so it's kind of halfway in our horizon area. So if our horizon's 4 inches, we're about 2 inches up. And that's going to be where we mark off how our flow goes. And when I say flow, I mean about the flow of your vision. So it's called perspective. And your eyes push things off to what are called vanishing points. Now, your vanishing points may be completely off this page. So you're going to want a little bit of space. They're going to be on the horizon line. So we know that's going to happen. And they may be on the table themselves. So to find that, I'm going to take my straight edge here. I'm going to line it up with my point here of target. And I'm going to use that to extend my vanishing point. Now, the vanishing point that goes across the front of the house up here, which is kind of falling off of what's going to be down in this area, is going to be, we don't want to be too steep with it, nor do you want to be terribly tight with it. So I think what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to shift this camera for just a minute and get us back into position.